Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur an image on Adobe Express. So first things you need to do on login here, then open up a design. So I want to create a design from landscape. Oh, this is really good. Then go to media, then go any design. So I open up this one. Wow. Then first things, just click on this image, then go to those options, just scroll down, then go to adjustment, then you can see this is a blur option. You can see if you keep up it 100% and you don't know anything, it's 100% blur. Then if you keep it 50%, then it's some blur. Then if you have lots of option and sharpness and etc. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.